Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get into this video, first and foremost, let's thank God for a new year with new beginnings. And with all of you that are going through something, may Allah lift your burdens and ease your pain. May you get blessings upon blessings, prosperity, and may you gain the wisdom. This is very important to distinguish between what's for you and what's against you, while acquiring the maturity to rise above insignificant events. With that being said, let's get into this video. This is body parts part 2, XIBNAHA JIRKA qaybta labaad. Ears, DHEGAHA. Ears, DHEGAHA. Hair, TIMO. Hair, TIMO. Chest, XABAD. Chest, XABAD. Armpits, KIL. Armpit, KIL. Stomach, CALOOL. Stomach, CALOOL. Belly button, حدن. Belly button, حدن. Waist, DAH. Waist, DAH. Back, دبر. Back, دبر. Legs, lugo. Legs, lugo. Knees, jilbo. Knees, jilbo. Ankle, ankle. Ankle, ankle. Shin, kub. Shin, kub. Toes, FARAHA LUGAHA. Toes, FARAHA LUGAHA. Heel, عرب. Heel, عرب. Thigh, body. Thigh, body. We have come to the end of the year. Happy 2022. Thank you so much for being here with me, and thank you for 100 subscribers. See you next year.